This 1 1/8 seat post was $1.50 at the local flea market.
I get a lot of people asking me why I plate stuff. Well, I get stuff like this all the time. And I just sand it down, do everything I needed to prep it, and then I'll plate this, and it'll come out probably nicer than a brand new one.
Real-time plating video linked in description. Super easy.
Alright guys, so here's the end result. That is the seat post that I just had. So, but yeah, I mean, that's all DIY. It's like 3 volts. I had this in the solution there for, an hour. You walk away, you come back, and then you end up with this, and it looks like $1,000,000. I mean, sure, there's some little things, but this came out awesome. So if you're interested in plating and stuff, in the description of this video, I got a quick how-to and chain that I did recently that came out amazing. So anyways, alright, peace.
Video link in description.
To take this and turn it into something super shiny and nice.